How to buy a premium plan on Navolet. In this section, I will show you how to get a license for Navolet. When you reach a usage limit, Navolet will send you a link to the shop in your chat. You can also visit navolet.com/shop. Browse through the available plans and choose the one that fits your needs. Each plan has its features clearly listed in the pricing table. Click on Get Started for your preferred plan. This will take you to the cart page. If you have a coupon code, you can apply it here. For example, you can use the code NEWCOM26 to get a 30% discount. After that, click on Proceed to Checkout. You will be asked to enter your basic details, including your email, billing address, phone number, and full name. Once you are done, click on Place Order. You will be redirected to a secure payment gateway. Choose your preferred payment method and complete the payment. After a successful payment, you will see a confirmation message. You will also receive full details of your purchase via email. You will get another email to set your account password. To access your account, click on the account icon at the top right corner of the Navolet website. To find your license key, go to the Orders section. Click on View for your most recent order. Scroll down and you will see your Navolet license key. Your license key will also be sent to your email after payment is completed. To activate your license, copy the license key and paste it into the Navolet chat. Navolet will recognize it and activate your plan instantly.